SECU Credit Union is one of the best credit unions to join, and here are the awesome reasons why. Okay, maybe you want an easy to get $10,000 credit line to build your buying power, or maybe you would like to purchase a new home with only $1,000 or 1% down. They offer these options and a lot more. They can definitely help you build a strong financial future. SECU Maryland Federal Credit Union is a great option for all Americans seeking a credit union that delivers unparalleled service. One of the most significant benefits of being a member of this credit union is that anyone in America can join, and you do not have to be a Maryland resident. This feature is beneficial, especially when you live in a state with very few or no credit unions. One of the highlights of this credit union is its extensive business services. This feature appeals to business owners who seek to grow and manage their businesses effectively. The credit union's range of services for businesses includes checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. Also, the business loan services go beyond conventional lending options, as they cater to startups and entrepreneurs who may have difficulty obtaining funding elsewhere. SECU also offers a great range of personal loan services to its members. As a member, you will have access to products such as car loans, home equity loans, credit cards, and personal loans. The credit union also offers financial education services that help members make informed financial decisions. The unique feature that sets SECU apart from its competitors is the member referral program. The program pays members $50 when they refer a friend or family member who subsequently becomes a member of the credit union. This program benefits both the referred member and the existing member, creating a win-win situation. You can even earn $500 a month by referring 10 people to this credit union per month. Click the link below to sign up now, and you will earn $50 from our referral link.